slowly, no, sino ba mas dapat magbigay? Yung mga bata, magbigay sa seniors, o yung mga seniors, magbibigay sa bata. So, pero mas marami ang youth sa ngayon. So, napakalaga na ibigay na rin natin yung option. Ito, bibigyan ko ng example dito sa Lipa. Nagkakaroon na ngayon ng umiikot na yung isang motorcycle app, ang CAS, narinig na dito. So, napapansin ko sa aking Facebook page, ang dami mga kabataan na natutuwa dahil ang bilis eh. Pero meron din mga nagre-react na traditional na sumasakay sa tricycle, even sila, that is their only livelihood. Yun yung kanilang naman. So, we can also give them the idea na pwede nyo naman nagtagin yung sidecar, pwede ka rin magangkas, but are they ready? So maraming consideration sa ngayon. Kasi baka possible na mas malaki ang kitain nila. Mas mabilis pa, walang traffic. So yung readiness and yung kanilang willingness to do it, yun yung nakikita mo difference sa atin. Sa ating generation, I don't think there's an issue. But we also have to consider them.
Narinig niyo ba yun? Ito yung mga galing na leader, no? Na-touch niya agad yung konsepto ng acceptance, readiness, relevance, no? Hahusay. Palapakan niyo naman ang ating konsehal. Puntahan muna natin ang crowd. Puntahan natin.
Hello, partner.
Magaling. May question ba?
Ayan. Parang wala na gusto kong talagang mukhang nadala na lahat, nasabi na lahat, at tayo paliwanag na maayos ang ating konsehal. Yung dapat malaman natin ng kabataan ngayon. Parang wala nang may lakas magtanong. Parang alam na kalaman, okay na lahat, dahil paliwanag na maayos.
Ay, gano'n?
Pero, try natin. Meron ba dito gusto kong tanong pa? At, wait lang. Ay. Tulogin.
Okay, muli po palakpakan natin ang ating konsehal Mikey Morada. Madaling po talk lang po with konsehal with our panelists. Ayan, sure po yan. Kayo muna mapa tapos ang ako sasama. Ayan. Patagtugin ko nga uli yung ating baby. Ayan o. Okay, Let me also read the citation. Batangas Information Technology Society in Mascobon, Lipa City. Certificate of Appreciation given to Honorable Michael Gerard D. Morada for sharing his time, knowledge, and expertise as keynote speaker in the Batangas Information Technology Conference 2024 with the theme Navigating the Future of Technology, Integration, Innovation, and Security. Given is April 6, 2024 at Lipa Academy for Sports, Culture, and Arts, the Gatang Lipa City, signed by our very own President, Dr. Francis G. Balazar.
Para takabot tayo lahat.
Thank you po, salamat, konsehal. Ayan. Okay. Okay pa ba kayo? Okay ba kayo? Sino gusto na pa-premyo? Ayan, hina. Sino gusto na pa-premyo? Ay, tuloy na pala. Tuloy na. Okay. Let's continue our panelists with Miss Gemma. Yes po. Miss Gemma Rose Dubnan. Ayan. May talk pa.
Hello? Mukhang na-overwhelmed kay Councilor Mikey. Kami may na-overwhelmed kami. So yun, kailangan ko ba? So yun, I'm the last but not the least in the panelist for the morning session. So again, my name is Miss Jem, and I am from Raywall Technologies Philippines. And thank you pala for Bitcon and Dr. Francis for having me here in Bitcon. Actually, Dr. Francis and I were friends for like 10 years now. Since they mentioned that I came from a community and it was the Drupal Pilipinas. So, imagine that, don't compute my age, but tanong-tanong kopong-kopong, magkasama na kami ni Sir Francis, and I am so happy after the pandemic, Bitcon Conference still stand out in Batangas. So, palakpakan naman natin yung mga organizer ng Bitcon. Parang malamya. So, I guess I won't be holding you back now for a long period of time because I think our speakers in the morning session already mainly about AI and then do a simple demonstration also about